Hello guys, so little update. I was about to give it away to reparation, but I cannot find this receipt for this machine, and then I think about the waiting time before I get it back repaired and paying money, so I decide I will try to do it myself. Anyway, first thing what I will check, it will be these brushes, because that's probably the reason why it's die. So anyway, let me open it up and then we all see if this brushes or something bigger. Okay, now I know what I deal with. Yeah, this brushes in this engine actually is not replaceable, at least for me. Anyway, those engine give no access to brushes, but it looks like it's finished. Anyway, so only thing what I need to do right now is just to find out the same exactly engine like this one. I'm not sure if I have such one, but I will try. So let's just try some other machines. Yeah, because I cannot replace the brushes myself for sure, and if I give it to reparation they will just put new engine in it. So let me try to find out exact same engine. Nope. Nope. Okay, maybe. No, it's slightly different. Nope. Let's try with, oh, maybe this one. Yeah, look like. Okay. No, but this one is not 18 volts. Okay, let's try with that one. Just need to open it up and then we will see if it's fit or not. No, I can see right away it's different engine. Okay, anyway, I will play with it a little bit and then give you update. Okay, finally made it. Didn't have so much luck with finding the same engine, so I need to take this one apart. It was not so easy because it was like pressed around. As you can see, I bent a little bit this casing, but anyway, self brushes look like not so bad. So self commutator, it doesn't look so good. Anyway, so I will just clean it up, put those engine back together somehow, and then I will try. So as you can see, it's very dirty. Yeah. Okay, now commutator is nice and clean. Let's just try to put it all together and then we see if it helps or not. Okay guys, look like it's done. It's a little bit massacred in here, but anyway, I put it all together and it looks like it's gonna work. So no smoke. Perfect. So the reason was just dirty commutator. Anyway, thanks to one of my comment, I decided to clean it up. Thank you, sir. And it worked, so that's great. Cool. So I just need to put it back together and then we will see how long it will work. Anyway, see you for now. Okay guys, so I put it back together and look like it's working. So no smoke at all. Perfect. And it's still half strange, so it sounds slightly different, but anyway, it's working. So big thanks for myvicariouslife. It was he suggested me to clean up commutator, and I done that, and it worked. So now we see how long it will run. Otherwise, eventually I will need to replace those engines because yeah. But anyway, machine safe. Cool. I'm happy. Okay, so that was the last update on this one. I again have my machine and I am satisfied of that. So take care everyone and see you all at the next one.